Today we are covering one of the most important topics in biology, the male reproductive system. We are going to look at every organ, understand exactly what each one does, learn how sperm are made, and find out how testosterone controls the entire system. This is a curriculum topic and we are going to cover it completely, accurately, and clearly. Let us get into it. The male reproductive system is a group of organs with two main jobs. First, to produce sperm cells. Second, to produce the hormone testosterone. Together, these organs work as a system to make reproduction possible. The key organs are the testes, the epididymis, the vas deferens, the seminal vesicles, the prostate gland, and the penis. Every single one of them has a specific role, and we are going to go through each one in detail. The testes, singular testes, are the two oval-shaped primary sex organs of the male body. They sit inside the scrotum, which is the sac of skin that hangs outside the body. And there is a very important reason they are positioned outside. The testes need to stay at a temperature about 2 to 3 degrees cooler than normal body temperature. Body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius, but sperm production needs around 34 to 35 degrees. If the testes were inside the body, the heat would destroy sperm production completely. Inside each testis are tightly coiled tubes called seminiferous tubules. This is where sperm cells are actually manufactured, through a process called spermatogenesis. A sperm cell, the scientific name is spermatozoon, is one of the most specialized cells in the entire human body. It is built with one single purpose, to swim to a female egg cell and fertilize it. The sperm has three parts. The head contains the nucleus, which carries 23 chromosomes, the genetic information from the father. The very tip of the head is covered by a structure called the acrosome, which contains enzymes used to penetrate and enter the egg. The middle section, called the midpiece, is packed with mitochondria. Mitochondria produce the energy the sperm needs to swim. And then there is the tail, scientifically called the flagellum. The tail whips back and forth rapidly to propel the sperm forward. A sperm cell is tiny, only about 0.05 millimeters long, but it can survive inside the female body for up to 5 days. After sperm are produced inside the seminiferous tubules, they do not immediately leave the body. They go on a journey. First, they move into the epididymis, a tightly coiled tube that sits on the back of each testis. The sperm spend 2 to 3 weeks here, maturing and gaining the ability to swim. From the epididymis, sperm move into the vas deferens, a muscular tube that carries them upward toward the urethra. Along the way, the seminal vesicles add a fluid rich in fructose, sugar, to give the sperm energy. The prostate gland adds its own fluid to protect the sperm from the acidic environment of the female reproductive tract. The combination of sperm and all these fluids is called semen. The average ejaculation releases between 200 and 500 million sperm in just 2 to 5 milliliters of semen. Semen then travels through the urethra and exits the body through the penis. Testosterone is the primary male sex hormone. It is produced inside the testes by specialized cells called Leydig cells. Testosterone is what makes the male reproductive system work. Without it, sperm production stops and male sexual development cannot happen. During puberty, rising testosterone levels cause a series of changes in the male body. The penis and testes grow larger, pubic and body hair develops, the voice deepens due to growth of the larynx, muscle mass increases, and sperm production begins for the first time. Testosterone production itself is controlled by the brain. The hypothalamus releases a hormone called GnRH, which signals the pituitary gland to release another hormone called LH, which then tells the Leydig cells in the testes to produce testosterone. It is a precise feedback system. Here are some remarkable facts about male reproduction. The male body produces 1,500 sperm cells every single second. From the very beginning of spermatogenesis to a fully matured sperm takes approximately 72 days. After that, sperm are stored in the epididymis for a further 2 to 3 weeks. A sperm cell can survive inside the female reproductive system for up to 5 days after ejaculation, which is why conception can happen even when intercourse takes place several days before ovulation. And in a single ejaculation, between 200 and 500 million sperm are released, yet only one can fertilize the egg. Let us summarize everything we covered today. The testes are the primary male sex organs. They produce sperm inside seminiferous tubules and must stay below body temperature to function. A sperm cell has 3 parts: the head with the nucleus and acrosome, the midpiece with mitochondria for energy, and the flagellum tail for swimming. After production, sperm travel through the epididymis, then the vas deferens, then receive fluids from the seminal vesicles and prostate, and exit the body through the urethra during ejaculation. Testosterone is produced by Leydig cells in the testes and is controlled by a hormonal signal from the brain. And semen is 95% fluid, only 5% is actual sperm. Please do well to ask your questions at the comment below, and also do well to subscribe. In the next lesson we move to the female reproductive system, the ovaries, the uterus, and the menstrual cycle. See you there. Cheers.
Thank you.